Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying good health. Today we are going to do our next page number 76. At page 76, here we have question number 2 and the question is subtract and fill in the boxes. Students, here we have some tens and ones too. First of all, we are going to count them and write here. Then we are going to subtract. After this, we will write the answer here. How many tens here we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, here we have 9 tens. We are going to write 9 over here. And how many ones here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 ones. We are going to write 5 over here. Subtract 3. We are going to subtract 3 ones from 95. We are going to write 3 at the ones place. Students, 5 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 3 and reach at the number 5. 3, 4 and 5. We reach at the number 5. Students, how many dots here we have? 1 and 2. We are going to write 2 over here. Then here we have nothing to subtract from the number 9. We are going to write 9 as it is in the box. Here we got our answer and the answer is 92. Here we have 9 tens and 2 ones. We are going to write 9 over here. Then 2 ones. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have some tens and ones. We are going to count them and write here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens. We are going to write 5 over here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we have 9 ones. We are going to write 9 over here. We are going to subtract the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are going to write 8 at the ones place. We are going to subtract them. 9 is the bigger one and 8 is smaller number. We are going to count towards 8 and reach at the number 9. 8 and 9. Students, we reach at the number 9. How many dots here we have? 1 dot. We are going to write 1 over here. Here we have nothing to subtract from the number 5. So we are going to write number 5 as it is in the box. We got answer 51. At 51, here we have 5 tens and 1 1. We are going to write 5 at the tens box and 1 at the ones box. Go for the next one. Here we have question number 3 and the question is now subtract and complete these. One has been done for you. Students, here we have some questions. We are going to solve them. Point A is done for our help. Here we have some tens and ones too. Here we have 3 tens and 8 ones, number 38 and 6 ones. Students, here we have the number 38 and here we have just 6 ones. We are going to subtract the ones first. Here we have the number 8 which is bigger than the number 6. 6 is smaller, so we are going to count towards 6 and reach at the number 8. 6, 7 and 8. Students, let's count how many dots here we have. 1 and 2. Here we have our answer. That one is 2. Here we have nothing to subtract from number 3. Number 3 is written as it is with the number 2. Here we have our answer and the answer is 32. In 32, here we have 3 tens and 2 ones. Go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have some tens and ones. Here we have 2 tens and 4 ones which make the number 24 and just 3 ones. We are going to subtract the ones first. 4 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 3 and reach at the number 4. 3 and 4. we reach at the number 4. Now how many dots here we have? Just 1. We are going to write 1 here. Now students, here we have nothing to subtract from number 2. We are going to write the number 2 as it is with the number 1. We got our answer and the answer is 21. In 21, here we have 2 tens and 1 1. Go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, here we have some tens and ones. 6 tens and 8 ones, which make the number 68. And here we have 7 ones. We are going to subtract the ones first. 8 is a bigger number, so we are going to count towards 7 and reach at the number 8. 7, 8. Students, we reach at the number 8. How many dots here we have? 1 dot. We are going to write 1 here. Then here we have nothing to subtract from the number 6. We are going to write 6 as it is with the number 1. We got our answer and the answer is 61. In 61, here we have 6 tens and 1 ones. Go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have some tens and ones. We are going to subtract them. Here we have 9 tens and 5 ones. Students, here we have just 5 ones. We are going to subtract the ones first. Here we have 5 and 5. Same numbers. When we come towards 5, we got the number 6. So when we subtract the same numbers, we got the answer 0. We are going to write 0 over here. Then here we have nothing to subtract from number 9. We are going to write 9 as it is with the number 0. We got answer 90. In 90, here we have 9 tens and 0 ones. Go for the next one. Here we have point E. At point E, here we have some tens and ones. We are going to subtract them. Here we have 5 tens and 9 ones. And here we have just 7 ones. We are going to subtract 7 from 9 because we are going to subtract the ones first. 9 is the bigger number and 7 is smaller. We are going to count towards 7 and reach at the number 9. 7, 8 and 9. We reach at the number 9. Now students, count how many dots here we have. 1 and 2. We got answer. That one is 2. We are going to write 2 here. Then here we have nothing to subtract from number 5. We are going to write number 5 as it is with the number 2. Here we got our answer and the answer is 52. In 52, here we have 5 tens and 2 ones. Go for the next one. Here we have point F. At point F, here we have some tens and ones. We are going to subtract them. Here we have 7 tens and 7 ones. Here we have just 4 ones. We are going to subtract the ones first. 7 is a bigger number and 4 is smaller one. We are going to count towards 4 and reach at the number 7. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Students, we reach at the number 7. Now count how many dots here we have. 1, 2 and 3. 3 dots here we have. Write 3 in the box. Then here we have nothing to subtract from number 7. So we are going to write 7 as it is with the number 3. We got our answer and the answer is 73. In 73, here we have 7 tens and 3 ones. Students, we complete our today's work. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.